Good day guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing great. I hope you're all doing fine. As you can see, the title of this video, it's all about learning the Venda language for beginners. So we are on lesson number 5, part 1. Yes, I mean lesson number 5. So if it's your first time seeing this lesson, I will advise you to go back to the previous lessons and watch them so that you can understand what's happening, what's gonna be happening, or what's happening on this lesson. So guys, and as it's your first time, if you haven't subscribed, please do the right thing and subscribe and don't waste time. So let's just get into the video right away and let's not. So guys, so what's gonna be happening on this lesson is that I'm gonna be helping you to pronounce the different part of your body, of our body, of my body. So first thing first, we're gonna be studying on the upper part first, from the head to the waist. So when you're talking about the head in Venda, when we want to say the head in Venda, it's where we say toho. The head is called toho, and then the shoulders are called mahada. If it's one shoulder, it's called lihada. So when you're talking about the hands are called zwanda. But if it's one hand, it's called chanda. And when you're talking about the chest, the child is called kana. And when you're talking about the breast, it's either it's female breast or a male breast. They are all called madamu. But if it's one breast, it's called lidamu. So when you're talking about the stomach it's called tumbu. And then lastly, the waist is called khundu. But if it's two waist for two people, they're all called zikhundu. So guys, that's all for today. I know that this video is so short. It's so short, but then if you are facing some difficulties on pronouncing them, you can just repeat the video and repeat until you get the words right. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and if this video have helped you a lot, please share with others and do the right thing, and also comment if you have some suggestion, or if you have something to ask, or if you want to talk about something, or if you want to suggest something that I can put or that I can add on these lessons. So guys, thank you for watching. Let's see each other on lesson number 5 part 2. Thank you guys, and don't forget to subscribe. I love you all.